Hello everybody, Hasso Fakari from Amphenol FCI Basics, and today we would like to show and introduce our new range of end tool and how to use the end tool in combination with our new semi-automatic machine. So Fabiana can show the way what we can use our frames.
Yeah. Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the file. Just make sure you take the correct layers and appropriate terminal. So what is some of you? Today we're using the microspace tool. I'm adding the terminal beside the communicator in the back. Let's let it back in. Make sure that the wire stubble is in place. This one prevents the wire from moving it to the mating around now. Make sure you strip the wire to the correct length, but also make sure using the right wire gauge with the appropriate profile. They add the wire inside both profile, make the complete crimping cycle. Tool opens out automatically. You can take out the crimped bit least, and then you're ready to go. So if you need to make a few more prototype wires, you can simply switch to the basic machine. There's no adjustment needed. You just add it, and you're ready to go with the machine. Hi, my name is Peter Swift. I'm from Amphenol Communication Solutions, and I'm very pleased to be here at the SPS show in Nuremberg in November. What we're showcasing here today is our industrial Ethernet products, so next generation connectivity for automation solutions, robotics, etc. Our IX Industrial, which is a high bandwidth connector, about the third the size of an RJ, designed from the ground up for robust connections for industrial Ethernet. And our single pair Ethernet, which is basically a two-wire solution providing connectivity right up through to the sensor and the actuator. So between these two, you've got connectivity from cloud to sensor and a fully automated factory. And we're also proud to show our harsh environment connectors, which provide IP67 solutions with standard interfaces such as DSUB, RJ, HDMI, and USB. Also very, very useful in harsh environment type of applications. In fact, there's outdoor and lighted type of machines. So again, we're very, very pleased to be here at SPS, and we encourage everybody to come and look at our SPE products. Thank you so much.
Hey, this is Greg Smith. I'm here in Nuremberg at the SPS show, and we're here to talk about some of our offerings for our basics product family. We have wire to board starting from 0.8 millimeter pitch up to 2.54. We also have some harsh environment, waterproof sealed IP69K solutions. And we're also offering a lot of our Flex 2 PCB design options where you have challenges getting from board to board in flexible orientations, and a lot of shielding options as well for industrial automation. A lot of these products are off the shelf and can be found via our website, and a lot of options in terms of wire to wire, wire to board, wire to flex, flex to board, and a lot of different flexibility for solutions in industrial automation. You see.
Hi, I'm Dwayne Williams, Amphenol Communication Solutions. I'm the product manager, representing their products here at SPS in Nuremberg. We're here, showing some of our legacy products, ruggedized harsh environment connect, but also some of our newest solutions, industrial Ethernet, where we see a lot of uptick in factory automation and interest in the new next generation of technology in Industry 4.0. This is a little example of the size of some of our connectors. So the standard RJ45, approximately 75% larger than the new IX, and to save a lot of space savings for customers with a 10 millimeter pitch. So demo board here demonstrates how many contacts you could have on a single PCB. And also for the robotic space or more cost savings environment, you've got your single pair Ethernet or SPE, where if you would just have two wires, where we could get 4 amp of power and POEL power over data line. And I think that's going to be a really big cost saver for customers. I mean, it was looking for a simple connector that's very flexible and it really fit into any environment. And also from both of these versions, we have the IP67 version
for more ruggedized environments where, dust and water wrecks is very important. For both the SPE and IX industrial. And for some customers that, are not making the switch right away, you'll have hybrid solutions to the RJ45 to IX plug or receptacles. And I think that's going to really start a revolution and push into the slow phase that not everyone will switch right away, but we're seeing that this will be the future of this space going forward.
Right in.